Hello, how to solve this math Olympiad question, but you can't use calculator. Here is 2 to the power 20 minus 9 is equal to what? So 2 to the power 20 like as 2 to the power 10 bracket power is 2. 2 times 10 is equal to 20 minus 9 like as 3 power 2. Now here is a square, this is a square. So according to algebra rules, I apply this formula in this case. I mean here is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now here is a is equal to 2 to the power 10 and v is equal to 3. If I apply these rules in this case, we are find out 2 to the power 10 plus 3 times 2 to the power 10 minus 3. Now here is 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 10 like as 1024 plus 3, and here is 1024 minus 3. Now 1024 plus 3 is equal to 1027 times here is 1021, 24 minus 3. Now here is 1000 in common. Now I can say here is 1000 plus 27 times here is 1000 plus 21. Now if I multiply, we are find out here is 1000 times 1000 is equal to 100,000,060 plus 1000 times 21 is equal to 21,000 plus 1000 times 27 is equal to 27,000 plus 21 times 27 is equal to 567. Now if I add, this time we are find out the answer. Here is 1,000,000 and here is 21,340, so 000, here is 21 and here is 00027 and here is 567. Now I add, here is 7 6 5 8 4 0 1. This is our final answer. Thank you all.